How to copy a Google Drive folder with all files on Android. This tutorial shows you the workaround since Drive doesn't have a direct copy folder option. First, open the Google Drive app and go to the folder you want to copy. From there, tap New at the top left, then tap Folder. After that, name the new folder and tap Create. Following this, go back to the original folder. At this point, tap the three-dot menu on the first file inside it. Tap Make a Copy from the options. Once done, a duplicate file appears in the same folder with Copy Of added to its name. From here, tap the three-dot menu on that copied file and tap Move To. Select the new folder you created earlier and tap Move Here. Repeat this same process for every file inside the original folder. Keep in mind, this only copies files directly inside the folder. If there are subfolders, you'll need to repeat the same steps inside each one separately. That's how you copy a Google Drive folder with all its files on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.